Hi! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to get an SVG file ready to print and score with our Cricut. First, we'll add our SVG file. This is the one we'll be using. Then we click Continue and then Upload. Once the file is loaded, we ungroup the pieces. Each piece has a group and some lines. Those lines show where the folds will be. For each of these lines, instead of cutting, we choose the scoring option. This tells the Cricut to mark the folds with the scoring tool. Next, we flatten each group. Flattening makes sure the machine doesn't cut by color so everything prints together. Sometimes the pieces are too big to print as is. Our paper is letter size and each car will take 5 sheets. So we select all the pieces and resize them until the red warnings disappear. Then we attach each piece to its scoring line. This way the Cricut knows exactly where to print and where to score. And that's it. When everything is ready, we click Create, and the machine is ready to print and score. Super easy, and our file is all set to work with Cricut.